Hello my friend, my name is Ladislav and I am native English speaker. Your teacher asked me to provide some feedback about your work she sent me by email. She asked me because my English better than her. Well, I am very busy, but I will help you. Don't worry my friend, I want to improve your English and we will work on that together. So, as for the structure too difficult, long sentences, no happiness inside. I was very sad when reading that, so you should improve the structure. But don't worry my friend, if there is no work, there are no pies, my mother says. My grandfather, he did a lot of work and he had a lot of pies. But as he eated that pies, he got diabetes afterwards. He died 2 years ago because of heart attack. And it's making me sad. It's making me sad as well as if you make mistakes. So please don't do it. Your vocabulary too difficult. Nobody understands the words you need. Agreement, company, level, customers, too difficult. Nobody understands. My friend, you must use easier words. Yes, your English must be simple to make people understand. We use the language to talk to each other, to understand each other. Yes, my friend. So don't use that difficult words. But what I like about your work, which is very good because I am native speaker, so if I say I like something, it must be very, very good, my friend. Very good for you. Good job. I like your linking words. You are using linking words all the time and it is good. If I see a linking word, it makes me happy. It's good to make me happy, my friend. So, as for your work in general, I am very satisfied with you. You did very well. But I got one advice for you, my friend. Don't try to show so much that you speak great English. I speak better English than you because I am native speaker and I don't want to present it so much. So, be humble and use easier words and make people understand, because if people understand you, they are happy afterwards. Yes, my friend? And it is all I wanted to say to you. If you have any question, don't worry and write me. I can help you and don't worry, I will be your teacher. So it is all of me now and enjoy the rest of your day and improve your English, my friend, because English very good for traveling, speaking and searching porn. Have a nice day!